One of my clients told me a familiar story. They were staring at an overflowing inbox, hunting for every email from a single writer because the style was fire and they wanted to analyze it. 10 minutes became 30, 30 became 2 hours. Click, scroll, copy, paste, repeat. The cursor blinked at them like a taunt. They knew there had to be a smarter way. That is where I stepped in as the guide. I have lived in email for years, first as an anti-spam engineer, then as a marketer sending millions of messages. I know exactly how quickly manual work inside a mailbox burns profit. So I gave them a plan that anyone can follow. Step 1, choose your source. We created a label that acts like a funnel. Forward, filter, or drag any target email into that label, and the system wakes up. Step 2, define the rules. We set criteria by sender, keywords, or subject patterns so it only grabs what matters. Step 3, extract the gold. As soon as a matching email hits the label, the robot pulls the sender, subject, date, preheader, links, and the body. It strips the signatures, removes tracking junk, and keeps line breaks readable. Step 4, organize the insights. It writes everything into a Google Sheet with clean columns for topic, angle, offer type, call to action, and any recurring hooks we want to track. It tags each entry, detects duplicates, and timestamps the capture so trends pop out over time. Step 5, activate the data. That sheet feeds other automations. It trains a writing assistant on tone. It powers a swipe file for the sales team. It seeds content prompts for social. It even triggers a daily summary so the right people see the best angles without touching the inbox. Now let us talk about results because entrepreneurs care about speed and money. On day 1, we ingested years of archives in minutes. By the end of week 1, they had 1,900 structured emails ready to search. That alone saved about 12 hours that week and 50 hours that month. More important, the team stopped guessing and started modeling what works. They rebuilt a nurture sequence in 48 hours using the angles surfaced by the sheet. That sequence added 16,000 in collected revenue in the first month with no extra ad spend. The copywriting meetings changed overnight. Instead of vague ideas, they showed a sheet of proven hooks sorted by click rate and offer type. Decisions got faster, output went up, stress went down. Why does this work so well? Because the villain in their story was not the inbox. It was the invisible tax of manual work and the fear of missing good ideas. Every minute spent digging is a minute not spent selling. The automation kills that tax. It turns unstructured noise into a searchable asset that compounds. And let us be honest about the stakes. If they had kept doing it by hand, they would still be copying and pasting. They would still be missing half the material. They would still be guessing when they write. That is how teams fall behind. That is how campaigns launch late. That is how money quietly leaks out of a business. With this in place, they work less, decide faster, and ship more profitable campaigns. If you are sitting on an inbox full of inspiration and you are not mining it automatically, you are leaving money on the table every single week. I can set this up for you the same way. One folder, clear rules, clean extraction, and a living library that fuels your bots, your templates, and your next winning campaign. If you want me to map it to your stack and show you where the fastest profit is hiding, send me a message and I will walk you through it.